Times Peter Griffin acted like an animal in Family Guy. In Season 8, Episode 21, Peter receives a compliment that makes him proudly show off his peacock feathers. In Season 6, Episode 10, Peter sings his version of the Jaws theme while acting like a shark.
I'm half shark and half Peter. Don't come near me, I will eat you.
In Season 12, Episode 2, Peter got Dr. Hartman to turn him into a lizard, just to dodge dinner with Lois's parents.
I think emotionally, I've always been a lizard, you know?
In Season 11, Episode 22, Peter recalls the time he ate catnip. In Season 22, Episode 1, Peter struggles with Meg taking up the couch and ends up sitting like a cat. In Season 12, Episode 12, Lois went through Peter's footprint yearbook.
When I was 8, I was a dragon.